Hello everybody, this is a short unboxing of a charger I got off of AliExpress for a Z6 camera, more specifically the Nikon EN-EL15 batteries. So together with this charger I also bought 4 batteries, at which we will have a look in a moment, and let's see what we got here. So this charger is portable, has a digital display, supports dual battery charge, it's a power bank, has an SD card reader, and is also an USB charger. Here on the side we have some other specs as well. On the back we have some parameters, and yeah, this is the charger. So let's unbox this. So here inside we have the actual charger, and what else? I think this is an instruction manual, how to use and what not. And actually this is kind of nice because it's in color, so they show you the colors. Okay, and let's have a look at this charger. So this is the case. Here we have a see-through display. Here you put your batteries together. Here I think you can store your SD cards. Let me pull one out, for example. So you can use it something like this. You can put them here, and then the box closes in. Then you can carry your SD cards in this box. Okay, on the side here we don't have anything, and on the back side we have an USB-C, which is an input, USB-A output, and a USB-A input line, which we can take out, and it kind of goes off like this. Okay, and after doing that, because this is also a card reader, we can now take out one of the SD cards and plug them, I think the other way, plug them inside here. So plug them inside here, and now this can also be used as a card reader. Okay, I can put this here. Now let's have a look at the batteries. Let's open one up. On the packaging, intelligent change of life, so they don't have any markings on them. Let's take it out. So it's wrapped here in this bag. So this is the battery. It doesn't have anything here, but it does have some writing on the back. This is an EN-EL15, 7.4 volts, 2200 milliamps. So it has about 16 watt hours. So let's see if my camera powers on with this. Let's take out the original battery. So I have a Patona battery here, which is an EN-EL15C, and it is 2400. So this has 200 milliamps less than my original one. And straight out of the box we can see that the camera recognizes it and it works. So that's good. Now let's try out the charger. Let's charge both these batteries, the one I just put in my camera and my original battery. So let's put this here and put this here. Oh, as you can see now it's in the output mode, so now it's acting like a power bank, so you can charge something, I think like your phone with it, so that's nice. Let's actually try to charge my phone first. So let's close this, plug this in, and try to charge my phone. Oh, and it actually charges, so this has to be on, you have to press the button to begin charging. But as far as I can tell, you have to press that button so that the display lights up, so that you can charge your phone and use it as a power bank. As far as I can tell, this is not fast charge, so it's not that great, but you know, in a pinch maybe you need to charge your phone or something. And as you can see, it's already 68% is draining the battery. So let's undo that and let's plug this in to see if it charges. So the other way around, now it's plugged in. So it's now charging. This is how it looks when it's charging. Let's put this cable back here around, and if we open this up, it's the same thing basically. So it's now charging both batteries. Okay, all in all, I don't know what to tell you. If you should buy this or not, I'll leave the link to it in the description. Because it's not charging on fast charge, and because it's not really recommended to buy aftermarket batteries for your camera. You should buy original ones, or maybe from a reputable manufacturer, because as you can see here, these are kind of strange looking batteries, and in the long run you're better off buying original batteries. But I'll keep using this, and maybe I'll give some updates later on to let you know how well they performed on my camera. So that's it for the unboxing. I hope you found this video useful. Give it a thumbs up if yes, and if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Ciao.